Akenyitana na ameba kanitha wa Redeem Gospel mwena wa South B, mutongoria wa kiama kia ANC Musalia Mudavadi augite tharikira iria ikoretwo ikiyumiria miena itiganite ya bururi ta Lamu, Meru na Laikipia ikoretwo igicungiriria wagagu na koguo aroria honge cia ugitiri igitire muingi.
Ni jukumu la wale ambao wana mamlaka kulingana na sheria kutuchunga na kuhakikisha kwamba tuko na usalama, walenge pale, kwa sababu tumeona kwamba wameanza kuregeza upande ule na wanakaza sana kufuatilia ni nani ataimurithi rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya. Mimi nasema tafadhali angalie jukumu lenu, mfanye kazi lenu.
Mudavadi ni ahinyiririe fata wa IEBC kuheo wiyathi wa kuruta wira o hamwe na mbeca niguo githurano kia mwaka uyu gibangwo na gitafanio na njira iria yagiriire.
Kile ambacho tunataka ni kwamba tume ya uchaguzi IEBC ipewe pesa za kutosha, ipewe nafasi za kutosha, ipewe independence yake, mtu asijaribu kucheza na independence ya IEBC, ili wapigaji kura wasajiliwe na IEBC itupatie nafasi ya kuwa na uchaguzi wa ukweli na haki ambao unaweza dhibitishwa.
Senator wa Nairobi Johnson Sakaja uria wari gavana wa kaunti ya Kiambu William Kabogo ni moreti ateti kumenyera miario riria mararia mbere ya muingi.
We want to reiterate and to urge our colleagues, to urge politicians, to urge our friends who are out there looking for votes to remember that this country is the only country we have. There is no Kenya B. That we must be careful about our statements and our sentiments, that we must not get excited when it comes to addressing issues, that we must keep our country together.
And we want to condemn some talks that are going on. I heard some people, I think specifically Mheshimiwa Linturi, talking about Mudavadi. That is a terrible language coming from a leader. Our constitution allows us to work, to stay and live anywhere in the Republic of Kenya. And we should respect our constitution.
Gafogo augite kuri ateti aingi marenda giturwa gia president na Akenya magirire kurekererio mathure uria marenda.
People have been saying there are two horses, or this is a two-horse race, and I want to tell you it is not. It is by the will of God that Kenya will get good leadership. And we should pray for good leadership.
Agithie na mbere kuhinyiriria fata wa Kenya kuheo wiyathi wa gucagura mutongoria uria marenda githurano-ini kia mwaka uyu. Mutongoria wa kiama kia ANC Musalia Mudavadi ni ahinyiririe ati Akenya matiagira guthikiriria muhuhu uria uratambio wigie ngwataniro cia uteti iria kiama giki kirathondeka na andu angi, na koguo magirire gwetera tariki 23 mweri uyu riria kiama giki gakorwo gigitabania mucemanio wa ajumbe kuria mwena wa Bomas. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma muciĩ munene wa Nairobi, njitagwo Kate Muthoni.